Hey guys, Alessio, hope you're well, and welcome to this video. In this video, I want to take a look at one specific market, which I believe is well overdue for a major downturn, and essentially giving back the majority of its gains that it's accumulated so far. What is this market? No, it's not the S&P, it's not the American stock market, it's not even the UK stock market, but actually the market we should be paying attention to, one European market, the German DAX. The German DAX, of course, the German stock market, and actually I would also suggest keep an eye on this market because it's a good representation of what's happening in the European stock markets. Now, the German DAX has had a significant rally since December, as you can see here from this chart. And we can see that this rally, which has been quite significant, has hit an important resistance level, which is the 200 moving average, that green line you see right there. 200 moving average was about the 11,000, I have it about 11,800, seemed by the looks of it. Now, we've pulled back since we're hitting that resistance. And now it's possible that in the next few days, maybe next week, we might have a little bit of a bounce, but I'm expecting that this market is essentially going to roll over and die within potentially the next few weeks, maybe potentially by the next couple of months. Let's take a look at the next chart. So as you can see here, on this chart, you can see my projection here for the German DAX. I think that once we break out of that trend line, so there's a significantly important trend line, that green line you see through there. And by the way, the wave count, as I have it on the German DAX, appears to show that this is a corrective rally. This is not an impulsive rally, but a corrective one. In other words, this entire rally is a correction within the long-term downtrend in the German DAX. We'll take a look at the wave count in a few moments, but this appears to be an ABC type correction. And I think that once the German DAX breaks that trend line, breaks below that green trend line you see right there, which I have it as, it seems to be 11,500, maybe 11,400, that's that trend line support by the looks of it. I would say 11,400 perhaps, but just be on the safe side. If we break that and stay below it, that's important. We need to stay below that trend line and break it. Then it's very likely we're heading for that kind of red path we see there on German DAX towards the December lows. And if we go to take a look at the next chart, this is the final chart I want to show you. The long-term wave count, according to Elliott wave theory, that markets tend to trend in 5 ways. As you can see, we've been in a long-term downtrend here on the German DAX and German 30. And this rally appears to be a wave 4 correction, a wave 4 corrective move. That means we're expecting the next wave to be the wave 5, probable wave 5, move lower to take us towards the December lows. Now, whether we'll actually hit the December lows or not, we'll have to wait and see. But at present, yeah. So basically, if we just come out of that chart for a second, basically the way I see it is that I think that what's likely to happen is in the next few weeks, potentially the next couple of months, we're going to see this unraveling of the markets as the US stock markets start to unravel, but potentially it's going to put downward pressure on the European markets. And I think very likely we could see the German DAX essentially follow through lower and complete its likely wave 5 move, likely wave 5 to form near or just below the December lows. So very exciting stuff, and I think that could potentially provide a very interesting chart setup there. All right, guys, I hope this video has helped, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks a lot.